Hello and welcome to another update video about Rune. Yeah, we start to see some buy reactions come in here. Also on the Rune chart, we see some friendly reactions to our support area here in the blue wave count. I think I mentioned in the last video that I'm still leaning towards the blue wave count, which is the more direct extension higher, because it was never invalidated. I mean, the trend is up, and until support levels, at least some kind of a micro support level is taken out, I typically go with a trend, okay? And then we always have an alternative in the background as a backup plan that should the support level break would then be activated. But you know, that would be the yellow count, which isn't really bearish. It allows for a deeper pullback, a deeper retracement, but there isn't really anything bearish on this chart until we break below $3.14. So plenty of space also in the bullish scenario still. So but yeah, we did say there are two main wave counts that we are observing here. So if I just make that a bit smaller, so the first one is the yellow wave count here. The yellow wave count suggests that we rallied in a wave 1 into the October highs. Well, to be honest, that's the same situation in the blue wave count. So yellow and blue are mirror counts until here. Also, the pullback is the same for both. Yeah, a 1-2 setup into the October lows, and then now a third wave. In the yellow wave count, all of this was wave 3. We're now coming down in wave 4. Regardless of what happens here, I mean, even that small rally that we see right now in the yellow wave count, it could be some kind of a high B wave. Yeah, so we're going to take a look at that. We're not out of the woods yet. So the yellow wave count can still play out, even though it's adhering very well to the blue wave count at the moment. I mean, yeah, and after this low, then we could rally in a fifth wave. So that's basically here within the yellow count, the preferred scenario. Bullish as long as we're holding $3.14, but basically we are now in a correction. In the blue count, which is the primary scenario, we are rallying more directly higher in the third wave. The third wave is extending higher, could easily get to $8 to $12. And what we did here was just a sub wave 4 with now a wave 5 to come. And if we zoom in, I might need to shift the blue waves to the right. No, I don't need to. Yeah, so what we did say in the blue count, again, which is the primary, a wave 4 bottomed here on the 22nd of November at around $4.90. And then we saw here potential rally. Well, we did see the rally. I gave you resistance. Could have been a nice short trade. Yeah. Resistance was respected. I gave you support for the blue count because we talked about a potential 1-2 setup. We said ideally, as long as the $5.8 level is holding, the blue third wave here has a good chance. You know? So that would be the, let me just double check. Oh, I haven't labeled that actually. Okay, need to label that. Maybe we do that right now. Let me just label that. Otherwise it's confusing because I only labeled the 1-2. That's of course not complete. That's not complete, so let me take them out. And so yeah, because it would be within the fifth wave there, that small fifth wave we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I just need to change the wave degree. And yeah, so that's basically how it should unfold. If we saw wave 1 now and a wave 2, what would be the target for the third wave? So we take the length of wave 1, go to the low of wave 2. And if this is an impulse, well, ideally, I'd like to see the 1.618. That would be ideal. That's at $7.40. So maybe it reaches only the area between 681 and 740, but that would only be the third wave. So it should still extend way higher than that. Okay, so that's the blue count. Now the next objective for the bulls in the blue count is first of all to take out the $6.8 level, which is the wave 1 high in blue, and then the larger degree third wave high here at around $6.65. Yeah, not much more to add. Obviously, all of that condition is now that we're holding this, the low that was made on Sunday, which is at $5.17. yeah, that's my update about Rune. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And for both, you can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.